Have you ever noticed that the moment someone around you yawns, you suddenly feel like yawning too? Even if you're not tired or sleepy, just looking at someone taking a deep yawn can trigger your own. But why does this happen? This strange reaction is called contagious yawning, and it's something almost all humans experience. Scientists believe it has less to do with tiredness and more with how our brain works. Inside your brain, there are special cells called mirror neurons. These neurons activate when you see someone else doing something, almost like your brain is copying their action. So when you watch someone yawn, your brain instantly responds by preparing you to do the same. It's like your mind is saying, "He's yawning. Maybe I should too." But why would the brain copy such a simple action? Scientists say contagious yawning is connected to empathy, our natural ability to understand and feel what others feel. If you yawn when someone else does, it may be a sign that your brain is good at emotional connection. Studies show people are more likely to catch a yawn from family, friends, or someone they trust, compared to strangers. This means yawning spreads more in close relationships. Another theory says contagious yawning may have helped early humans survive. Yawning increases oxygen flow and alertness. If one person in a group yawned because they sensed danger or felt sleepy, others would automatically follow, helping the whole group stay awake together. It might have been a team alert signal. And here's a fun fact. Even thinking about yawning can make people yawn. You don't even need a real person to trigger a yawn. A photo, a sound, a cartoon, or even imagining someone yawning can make it happen. You might even feel it now while listening. So next time you yawn right after someone else, remember, it's not just a reaction. It's a sign of how connected your brain is to the people around you and how your mind works without you noticing.